Good morning, students. Today we are starting with lesson number 3rd of your book, and chapter name is More on Flash. Full name is Macromedia Flash. Okay, so in this chapter we will talk about these things: decalling Flash, starting Flash, and all these things. Okay, now first of all, what is Flash? I think in our previous class also we have discussed in 7th class. Again we are talking about this Flash. Flash is an animation software that is used for creating animations, games, cartoons, websites, graphic effects, text effects, and special effects. So simply you can say it will help you to create animations or cartoons that you see, or the games that you see on the internet or in your mobiles, like this. Along with that, we have plenty of GIF images that blinks and they create some effects. They all are created using this Flash software. Okay, it is one of the most popular technologies on the internet, with thousands of websites using it for introduction, animation, and advertisement. How to start MS Flash, or you can say Macromedia Flash? Steps are given here. To start Macromedia Flash, perform the following steps: click on Start button, click on All Programs, Macromedia option, click on Macromedia Flash program. Okay, I'm showing you how we can do it. So this is our desktop screen. Okay, here you can see the icon of Macromedia Flash. Simplest way to open this is just double click on it. Okay, and if you follow the steps of your book, you have to click on Start Program or Start button. Here in this list you will find it. Look. Okay, so it depends on you. I'm going with this one. I have to double click on it. It will start. So as you start this, you will get this window. Here you have to select Flash document. This is your screen of MS Flash. Now again we are moving to your book. So these are the steps given how you can start your Macromedia Flash. Now next one is recalling components of Flash window. So as I have already shown you this window in front of you. So here we have different parts of this window. You can see here this second line, or you can say the second bar, this is called your menu bar. First bar is called your title bar. This one is your menu bar. This area is called your toolbox. Okay, this area is called your property inspector. This area is called your timeline. This is your library area, and this one is your stage. Okay, so here we will discuss about them one by one. First one is menu bar. As the name shows, it will give you some menus, or you can say commands, which help you to perform different tasks on Flash. Means if you want to save your animation and anything, save, open, close, whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. Okay, next one is toolbox. You can see this toolbox is nearly same as of your MS Paint. Okay, so this will give you different options. We will discuss them later. Next one is timeline. Here, this one is your timeline. Look, it will help you to arrange your pages, or you can say the stage. Just like in MS PowerPoint, as we insert new slide, they will be displayed on this left hand side of the screen. Same here, whenever you insert new page or new stage area, you will get the layers here. Look what it will. Timeline appears in the upper portion of the screen. It is used to create or edit animations. It contains frames which play an important role in making animations. Okay, it contains frames. Frames means a single image or whatever you want to say. Next one is stage. This area, it is called your stage area. What is the use of this? Stage appears in the center of the screen. It is the area where you create animation. The width and height of your Flash movie is determined by the stage size. Means the animation or anything whatever you are making, the size of that will be determined using this stage area. Okay, next one is property inspector. Here property means the height, width, size, color of any of the object will be determined or will be displayed using this property inspector. Property inspector appears at the bottom of the window. It is a panel that display the properties of the selected object. The property include a text, an image, a line, a shape, etc. Means include a text, image, line, shape, anything can be used in properties. The properties displayed in this panel vary according to the selected object. Suppose you have selected the triangle, so you will get 3 sides. If you have selected the rectangle, you will get 4 sides like this. Okay. Last one is library. Library, it holds all objects you create in Flash program. Even if you delete the object, a copy of it is still retained in the library. So these are the components of your screen. Okay. In next video, we will start with the tools of this. We will discuss the tools one by one given in your book. Till then, watch the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you.